Namaskar, good afternoon. Welcome to this office yoga session. So, kindly sit in meditative stage, index finger thumb together, spine straight, eyes gently closed. We will do humming 3 times. Inhale deeply. Gently open your eyes. Today we are practicing on the simple chair, not a revolving one. So first, shoulders exercise. Please place your fingers gently on the shoulders and combine the elbows. And while inhaling, raise your elbows up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Reverse movement. Inhaling from back up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Another exercise for shoulders movement. Place your hands on your waist and inhaling, raise your shoulders up from front. Rotate the shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Now reverse movement. While taking up, inhale. While going down, exhale. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Neck movements. This is a word of caution. Those having cervical spondylosis, they should not bend their head forward. Other exercise they can do comfortably depending upon the comfort and flexibility. The flexibility exercise have to be done first and followed by neck muscles strengthening exercise. So inhaling, raise your chin up. Exhaling, chin down. Inhaling, chin up. Exhaling, chin down. The movements have to be very slow, gradual. Come to normal. Now inhaling and exhaling, turn to right. Stay there with normal breathing. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, turn to left. Stay there with normal breathing. Inhaling, come to center. One more round. Exhaling, turn to right. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, turn to left. Inhaling, come to center. Now, next movement is tilting your head left and right. Okay. With the right hand, hold your head and tilt your head towards the right side. Pull it comfortably, conveniently. Slowly, slowly come back. Now with your left hand, hold your head and pull it toward the left side. Come back. Now rotation of the head. Exhaling, head down. Rotate your head clockwise. For those having cervical, they should rotate half circle from back. While exhaling, come down. While inhaling, come up. And now reverse movement, anti-clockwise, gradual movement. This gives good flexibility to your neck muscles, neck joint. Come back. And now we go in for neck muscles strengthening exercises. Make a grip and put it on your forehead. Push your head forward. Feel the vibrations in your neck muscles. Head pushing forward and hand pushing backward and maintaining the balance. Come back. Place your grip behind your head and push your head backward and push your hand forward. So there is a opposite forces working together. Come back. Now place your right hand on right side. Push your head toward the right side. Come back. Now place your left hand on left side. Push your head towards the left side. Come back. Place your hands below the jaw and push your jaw upward. Come back. Now place your fist below your chin and in between your neck pit. Push your chin downward. Come back. Today we will do eyes exercise also. We make movement of eyes, vertical movement of the eyeballs, horizontal movement of the eyeballs, and diagonal movement of the eyeballs, keeping the head steady and straight. So kindly see in between the eyebrows. For vertical movement to the eyeballs, look down on the tip of the nose. Again up, down, up, down. Eyes gently close. Now open your eyes and look toward the right hand, left hand, right, left, right, left. Eyes gently close. Now look toward for diagonal movement, look toward the right hand, up corner, left down, right up, left down, left up, right down, left up, right down. Now rotate the eyeballs clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Eye gently close. Now we will do fast blinking. Blink your eyelids, eyes fast. Now squeezing your eyes. Squeeze your eyelids, hold and release. Again squeeze, hold and release. Now palming. Cover your eyes with your palms, crossing the fingers. Feel complete darkness and complete relaxation to the eyes. Rubbing our eyelids, come back and pray to the Almighty for our healthy vision throughout our life. Kindly ensure that your hands are fully sanitized because this is the time of the coronavirus. So when you touch your face, your hands should be totally sanitized. Okay. Now we will do twists. Chair Bhardwaj. Inhale and exhaling, twist towards the right. Hold your back seat by the hands and twist towards the right side. Breathe normally. Bhardwaj. This twist helps in massaging of the internal organs. Slowly come back. And the massaging of internal organs helps in strengthening of the digestive system. Now turn towards the left side and hold the back and twist towards the left side. Breathe normally. Slowly come back. Now sitting Tadasana. As we do standing, this is sitting Tadasana. Make a grip and put it on the head and stretch your arms 90-degree upward. Maintain normal breathing. This is sitting Tadasana, palm tree posture. This makes you alert and energetic. Come back. The spinal stretch and the various joints stretch and loosening helps in full alertness so that you can be ready for the work actively. Now legs exercises. Stretch your legs straight and bend your toes downward. Feel the impact on your ankles. Pull the forefoot inward. Feel the impact on your ankles as well as thigh muscles, knee joint and calf muscles. Come back. One more time. Bend your forefoot downward. Pull your forefoot inward. Now bend your forefoot towards the right, left. Now rotate the forefoot clockwise. Slowly. This gives a beautiful stretch and flexibility to your ankles, ankle muscles, ankle joints. Now reverse anti-clockwise. Come back. Now place your legs one over another and push against each other. Come back. And now change the legs and push. Press the legs against each other. This strengthens the thigh muscles, calf muscles, and strengthens the knee joints also. Come back. Now press the knee joints, knees against each other. This helps in strengthening the inward thigh muscles. come back. Now place your left leg on your right leg and bend forward comfortably, conveniently, keeping the spine straight, bend forward, and feel the impact on your left hip muscles and spinal muscles, back muscles. Come back, leg down. Now place your right leg over the left leg and bend forward. Feel the impact on your hip joint muscles. Slowly come back. Now some standing exercises. Stand up, please. Today we will do warrior posture, Veerbhadrasana. Veerbhadrasana 1. Stretch your legs and turn towards the left side. Your left foot should be in the right angle direction, and stretch your hands, clasp your palms and stretch your arms upward 90 degree, bend down. This is Veerbhadrasana 1, warrior posture 1. Keep your hands, arms stretched upward and feel complete stretch in your spinal vertebrae. Stay there with normal breathing. Slowly come down. Now change your position and turn towards the right. Right foot in right direction and stretch your arms horizontally, clasp the palms, raise your arms up, bend down from your right knee and look forward, stretch your arms upward, breathe normally. Slowly come back, relax. This is Veerbhadrasana 1. Now we will do Veerbhadrasana 2, that is warrior posture 2. This is a bit advanced posture. Again, stretch your legs and turn your right foot in right direction, left foot slightly inside, and stretch your arms. Stretch your arms horizontally and keeping the spine straight, look toward the right direction, keeping the spine straight, bend down. This is Veerbhadrasana 2. Stay there as per your endurance and as per your capacity with normal breathing. This strengthens the thighs, leg muscles, and helps in strengthening the spine. Come back. Now turn your left foot in the right direction and right foot inside and look toward the left side. Bend down, keep your spine straight, have normal breathing. Slowly come back, relax. Now breathing exercises. Sorry for interruption. Sit straight, hands on in the Gyan Mudra, index finger and thumb together, spine straight, and breathe. Start deep breathing Deep breathing starts with the abdominal breathing followed by chest breathing and clavicular breathing. Inhale deeply, bulge your belly, expand your chest forward and raise your shoulders up. Exhale completely, contracting the shoulders, chest and abdomen. Continue deep breathing. Continues. Inhale deeply, slow, steady and long breath. This way, deep breathing is to be performed. It should be done for real benefits, at least for 5 minutes, and you can enhance the duration up to 10 minutes or even up to 15 minutes. But you have to do certain other pranayams, so you have to regulate the timings accordingly. Now reverse your hands on the knees for ready for Kapalabhati Kriya. This is one of the purificatory methods, one of the 6 methods of Shatkarma: Neti, Dhoti, Vasti, Tratak, Nauli, Kapalabhati. So in this Kapalabhati, we exhale and exhale. The name is skull shining activity, exercise. So we exhale and exhale, and in between the 2 strokes, 2 active strokes of exhalations, there is a slight gap, small pause in which you have passive inhalation with shallow breath. So please continue with the medium pace, medium force. A word of caution for those having blood pressure, high blood pressure, cardiac issues, they should not do it. And for females, the females undergoing menstruation cycle and pregnancy, they should avoid it altogether. And for the hypertensive patients and cardiac patients, there is a system of mild Kapalbhati. We will practice it following this. So with medium pace, medium force, start Kapalabhati. Come back. This is Kapalbhati with medium pace, medium force. Now we will practice Kapalbhati with mild force, mild pace. This is required for those having cardiac issues and hypertension issues. So this is the with mild force, small, slow pace and slow speed. Come back. So this is mild Kapalbhati. Another caution for those who have undergone abdominal surgery recently, less than so they should avoid Kapalbhati for at least 6 months, and after that they can start mild Kapalbhati and followed by medium pace Kapalbhati as the body accepts. Now be ready for Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Alternate nostril breathing. Left hand in Gyana Mudra and right hand in Nasagra Mudra. First two fingers bent and block your right nostril. Inhale through left, deep, slow and long breath. Block the left nostril, open the right nostril, exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Inhale through left. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Exhale through left. Now we will have Nadi Shodhan Pranayama in continuity, inhalation and exhalation in 1:2 ratio. Inhale for 5 counts through left. Exhale through right in 10 counts. Inhale through right in 5 counts. Exhale through right, left in 10 counts. Inhale through left in 5 counts. Exhale through right in 10 counts. Inhale through right in 5 counts. Exhale through left in 10 counts. Come back. Now, Brahmari Pranayama, as the name suggests, is the humming bee pranayama. When the humming bee moves around the flower and make a voice, humming voice, like this. So this pranayama is taken from the humming bee sound. So we first place our 2 fingers on the eyes, ring finger below the nose, little finger below the lips. Cover your eyes with the thumbs and inhale and humming 3 times. Come back, sit in Gyana Mudra and start concentrating over your breath. Visualize your breath. have natural and normal breath. Just observe your breath and just observe your body. Visualize your body objectively. Feel complete relaxation to your body from the toes to the top of the head, relaxing all the muscles, all the joints, all the internal and external organs. Bring your awareness to your complete body. Bring your awareness to your spine, to your head, to your heart. Relax all the organs. Feel complete, rejuvenated, energetic. Start humming 3 times. With the folded hands, pray to the Almighty for our health, happiness, peace and contentment in our life. Let our life be governed by the yogic practices, yogic principles, simple, disciplined and elevated. Thank you very much. This is our official yoga session. Hope you liked it, and we hope you join it regularly with us. Thank you very much. Namaskar.